Alright you guys, I'm about to show you my eyelash extension collection. Alright. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like this video, and please leave comments down below. I have a tutorial of me actually doing a client lashes, but I do have one on my page. It's called Volume Lash Extensions, so check me out doing my client lashes. That's my homegirl from work. Let's get started. So right here is the case of where I keep all my equipment at. Let me zoom in. Yes. I actually made this mask, Let Me Do Your Lashes. It's so cute. I made it myself. I got 3 different tweezers, well, 2 different brands and 2 different tweezer types. So I actually use this to separate lashes, and this to apply the lashes on your natural lashes. Of course, you always need a little eyelash scissor. I use knife just in case glue gets stuck on my tweezers. I can use the knife to get it off. I got the microscope glasses from Amazon. I think probably like 10 bucks. I don't use the glasses actually. I actually use the light that's on it. So it's very, very bright, so you can see every single lash on your client lash. Of course, mask just in case anybody breath stink. I got this part from CVS. Let me focus a little bit for you guys. This is a advanced triple disinfectant. I use this. I put a little bit on a pad, and I wipe the client eyes just to make sure any bacteria, germs, we can make sure it's super clean before we even get started. I got 4 different type of 3M tape. It's a micro pore tapes. I got 4 different kinds. I got the Stacy Lash gel remover, Lion Lash glue. I got my pre-treatment primer. I got my alcohol that I put in this little tube. I use this to clean tweezers before I even get started with a client. I always use alcohol to clean my tweezers. Don't rust my tweezers or anything, so that's just good. I got EB lash glue. So these are the 2 glue I like. Mainly I do like Stacy Lash glue, but I don't have none at the moment. This little droplet, you put it on your finger and you apply the lash glue, probably like 2 to 3 dots inside, and that's what you dip. Of course, your Q-tip, just in case anybody tears running down their eyes, because you don't want to loosen tears will loosen up the tape. So I always have Q-tips right beside me so I can wipe anybody tears off. This and this is what I use for lash cleanser. Right here is just water and baby shampoo, but you can also get professional cleanser, but you can just make your own. You know, and this is a regular brush, real soft and gentle. And then these are my lash trays. I'm very addicted. I don't know how many I have. I don't know, you guys count and see, but I love lashing. So I have all different lengths. Let me see. Sorry, you got my phone keep going out of focus. So I got C curl, D curls. I got inches from, I say inches, think about hair. I got lash size from 8 to 25, which is the longest. I just got these. These are very, very long. I can't wait to use these on a client. So yeah, this is my little collection, you guys. That's all you need. When I first was getting started doing lash extension, I did have a mannequin head doing lashes, but more and more you do it, the easier you get. There's always room to improve your equipment, improve your skills. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Oh yeah, you guys, I also have a mini fan for my client just in case their eyes get watery, because of course the lash extension glue is very strong, and of course we're applying it towards the eyes, so your eyes might get watery, a little red and whatever, but it's okay. So you know, I got this from Hobby Lobby. You know, it's on and off button over here. I also have a bigger fan that I got from Walmart, and it's in the storage right now, so it's too much to get out. And of course you need paper towels just in case clients want to wipe their tears, or you have something on your hands, or you just want to clean up something. So I always keep that close by. to be honest, nothing else. That's it. That's it. Bye. Oh, I might have a tutorial of me actually doing a client lashes, but I do have one on my page. It's called Volume Lash Extensions. So check me out doing my client lashes. That's my homegirl from work. So yeah, check that out. Bye, you guys.